guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got another unboxing video, and today I will be unboxing this InStyle box. I've just got it yesterday on my mailbox, and I thought it's really a nice opportunity to do the unboxing with you. Everything you want to know about this InStyle box I will be linking down below. So let's begin with the unboxing. So this is how it looks inside. So just get that open, and it has like this magazine inside. It says here winter edition 2018-2019, and it has, you know, like the products that I've got in this box with a bit of description of everything, which I found to be quite nice.
So here I have the goodies. Oops, yeah.
So the first thing that I have here are these BodyChange Capsules. I don't know, it says different things here, that it contains vitamin A, vitamin B3, other vitamins, and you know, like all these healthy stuff, and it's supposed to keep you healthy and have like a nice skin. It says to take 2 of them with some water. I don't know if I'm going to try it. I guess I'll just do another video sometime on it, but at the moment I'm a bit skeptical. Moving on, then I have this squirrel. It's actually, you know, like a tea holder. You place your tea in here, and then you put it into your cup in hot water, and you can enjoy. Next product that I have, it's like this leather sticker. You know, you can put it on your clothes or mobile phone. The next product, it's eye mask. This one here, it's a hydrogel firming eye mask, intensive moisture with hyaluron and grapeseed extract. Okay, I think I will give it a try someday. So now moving on, I have this you know, mask by Biore. It's a 1-minute thermal mask, and so it's supposed, you know, to clean your face from impurities and, you know, like any pimples that you might have, and clean your pores. The next product I have, it's actually food, and I have some porridge. I don't think I have to say something more about this product. The next one, it's a coffee peeling for the body. Okay, it's also nice. Next I have here, let's see, it's a liquid soap. It's vegan and animal friendly, which is amazing. And it says here moisturizing vanilla and cinnamon liquid soap, 98% natural and low processed ingredients, does not contain parabens and silicones. It's a delicate soap with sweet and spicy scent, contains a natural extract from vanilla bean and cinnamon bark. So, and it smells quite amazing.
It smells really good, actually. And it's addictive. It's like crazy addictive. Wow, I think I found my perfect soap. It's brilliant. It's amazing. I love it. Great, great, just great.
Now the next product I have here, it's this, I think, yes, it's a face cream. It says Polar Night Revitalizing Cream with Boreal algae. Night after night, the skin is smoother and recharged in oxygen, regenerated and revitalized. The skin seems visibly younger, alcohol, paraben and mineral oil free. Let me know in the comments below if you ever tried this cream, if it's, you know, worth it or not. I have next, you know, like these pads. This is to be super soft and to help you take off your makeup. So there are, I think, 2 pieces. This is how it looks like. You know, it's like a towel. So now I'm just curious to know how you use that. Okay, so it says here you apply just some warm water and then you do, you know, like circular motions, and you're supposed to take your makeup off. And then you can put them in your wash machine without any soap or anything like that, and to make them again usable. I've never used something like that. If you again used anything like that, please let me know in the comments below. I would really like to hear your opinion on them. The next thing I have is this perfume from Hugo Boss. It's called Scent for Her. Oh, it's really cute. It comes like that in a small bottle. And it smells nice. It has like a sweet scent, I think. Yeah, something like a sweet scent. It says here, an irresistible fragrance, unforgettable, like a savory seduction. Oh, okay. Exquisite notes of honeyed peach, delicate freesia, bloom, captivating osmanthus flower, and intensely roasted cocoa seduce the senses. I don't know what freesia or osmanthus are for the flower.
I don't know that. Sorry.
So now, last but not least, I've got this lip liner in a red shade. It's by Lavera. It has like a dark red shade. Let me take my lipstick off and try that out. I'm really curious to see how it looks like. I'll just color now my lips with it. Yeah, well, it's a nice shade. It says here to be the red 03, and it was quite soft on the lips. Yeah, and that was for my InStyle Box unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Everything you want to know about this InStyle Box and the products that I've got, I will be linking down below. Also, let me know your thoughts about it, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!